If you're trading options, there's one phrase you're going to keep hearing over and over again: the underlying. So what exactly is the underlying, and why does it matter for your trades? Let's break it down. The underlying, or the underlying shares, is just the stock that the option contracts you're looking at are traded on. If you're trading options on Apple, the underlying is Apple stock. Options don't just float in space. They're tied to real, publicly traded stocks. That real thing is the underlying. Each standard option contract gives you exposure to 100 shares of the underlying. And that's why everything in options moves in blocks of 100. If somebody exercises a call option, they're buying 100 shares of the underlying. So I just want you to think about it that way. When we say underlying, we're talking about whatever company we're trading options on. And here's where it really matters. Not all underlyings are created equal. They're not the same companies. Selling options on GameStop, for example, not the exact same thing as selling options on Walmart. GameStop moves like a roller coaster, while Walmart is moving like a shopping cart in a Walmart. I don't know, steady. So the underlying you choose is going to play a really important role in defining your trade's behavior and risk profile. So yeah, understanding what the underlying is, pretty simple. But knowing which underlyings to pick, that can be a little bit more tricky. And that's why at Predicting Alpha, we do 5 systematic strategies that makes it easy to know what to trade. If you want to check it out, take a free trial using the link below. There is 5 systematic, data-driven strategies there that each of our members has access to. Because understanding the underlying, that's cool. But trading it right, that's even better. So to recap, the underlying is the actual stock that the option trade is based on. One contract equals 100 shares of the underlying, and the behavior of that underlying, that's what's going to shape your trade. So know your underlyings and trade with a purpose.